In case no party enjoys absolute majority in the legislative assembly of a state, the governor will go by his own discretion. D option is correct. The Chief Justice is appointed by governor. The governor of an Indian state is appointed by the President of India. A state cannot exist without some kind of government. Who is highest law officer of a state? Highest law officer of a state is Advocate General. D option is correct. An ordinance issued by the governor without the approval of the state legislature shall be effective for a period of 6 weeks. B option is correct. The maximum time a person can continue to be the minister of the state government without being a member of the state legislature, the time is 6 months. Total assembly segments in Delhi are 70. C option is correct. In relation to the state government, local government exercises delegated authority. An ordinance issued by governor is subject to approval by the state legislature. In which year were the states recognized on a linguistic basis? The year was 1956. The State Election Commission conducts, controls and supervises municipal elections under the Article 243K. Which among the following state has Vidhan Parishad? The state is, this question will be answered by you because all the options are not correct. The oath of office is administered to the governor by the Chief Justice of High Court. An ordinance issued by the governor has to be passed by assembly within 6 weeks. The discretionary power of a governor is limited in assent to bills. Who among the following is the first woman Chief Minister of Punjab? She was Rajinder Kaur Battal. The option is correct. The minimum age limit for membership of the Vidhan Parishad is 30 years. The option is correct. Name the first woman Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. She was Mehbooba Mufti. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? She was Sucheta Karplani. Chief Minister of States are members of National Development Council. C option is correct. Which of the following state has bicameral legislature? The state is Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Government on 22nd of May 2016 appointed whom as the new Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Pondicherry? The person was Kiran Bedi. A option is correct. The term of a governor is of 5 years. One feature is common to the following bodies. Find it out. Supreme Court, Election Commission, UPSC, Office of CAG, CAG. The feature is they are constitutional bodies. The option is correct. In case of disagreement between the two houses of parliament over a non-money bill, is the president may call a joint sitting of both the houses to consider it. The option is correct. What admits the following is not true of the general electoral roll prepared through the agency of the election commission? It is to be used for election to the legislative council of the states where these exist. The option is correct. Right to vote is mentioned in the part of the election. The option is correct. Which of the following non-members of parliament has the right to address it? The Attorney General of India. A option is correct. For which period the Finance Commission is formed? Finance Commission is formed for every year. The option is correct. Who finally approves the draft 5-year plan? It is approved by National Development Council. The deciding authority of a state share in Central Texas is the Finance Commission. When was the Public Service Commission, the original version of UPSC, set up? It has been set up 1st October 1926. Which of the following non-members of parliament has the right to address it? Non-member of parliament is Attorney General of India, who has the right to address it. Which authority recommends the principles governing the grantism aid of the revenues of the state out of the Consolidated Fund of India? It is Finance Commission. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India acts as the chief accountant and auditor for the union and state governments. The Finance Commission is mainly concerned with recommending to the President about distributing net proceeds of taxes between the center and states. Principle governing the grants in aid to be given to states. C option is correct. Who constitutes the Finance Commission after every year? It constitutes by the President. C option is correct. Members of the Union Public Service Commission can be removed by President on the basis of an inquiry and report by the Supreme Court. C option is correct. If the Election Commission is satisfied that a candidate has failed to lodge an account of election expenses within the prescribed time and in the manner for no good reason or justification, what is the period for which the EC can disqualify him to be a member or from continuing to be a member of the elected office from the date of the order for 3 years. B option is correct. Elections to the houses of the people and the legislative assemblies of a state in India are held on the basis of adult franchise. D option is correct. Vote on account means statutory acceptance of the expenditure related to demands of grants till the passage of planning bill. The option is correct. What is the period of appointments of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? The period is 6 years or 65 years of the age, whichever is earlier. C option is correct. In which country financial legislation is introduced in the upper house of the legislature? The country is Germany. The bureaucracy performs administrative as well as quasi-judicial and quasi-legislative functions. D option is correct. Which one of the following is not a constitutional body? That is not a constitutional body is Planning Commission. A member of the Union Public Service Commission can be removed by President. Who is chief law officer of the Government of India? It is Attorney General of India. D option is correct. Which is the highest body that approves fire plans in the country? It is National Development Council, which is not a central service. It is Indian Police Service, that is not a central service. Who is the highest civil servant of the Union Government? It is Cabinet Secretary. Which functionary can be invited to give his opinion in the Parliament? The functionary is Attorney General of India. The Planning Commission of India is a non-statutory body. Being the non-member, who among the following can participate in the proceeding of either house of the Parliament without having right to vote? It is Attorney General. When does Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha election candidate forfeit his security deposit? It is when he fails to secure even 1/6 of total votes polled. D option is correct. The term of office of the member of UPSC is 6 years or till they attain 65 years of age. C option is correct. The authority which is not established by the constitutional provision is Planning Commission. B option is correct. Age of a candidate to contest parliamentary election should not be lesser than 25 years. The annual report of the UPSC is submitted to the President. Finance Commission is constituted once in 5 years. The option is correct. For which period the Finance Commission is formed? Is formed in the 5 years. C option is correct. Only one of the following can be the ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission. He is the Prime Minister. Which of the following is an extra constitutional and non-statutory body? It is Planning Commission. B option is correct. The Finance Commission adjudicates on the sharing of resources between center and the states. D option is correct here. Which is an extra constitutional body? It is Planning Commission. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? It is Planning Commission. The Attorney General of India has the right to write the audience any court of law within the territory of India. Who appoints the Finance Commission? It is appointed by the President. The Planning Commission of India was established in the year of 1950. The term of Finance Commission is 5 years. B option is correct. The National Development Council includes Chief Minister of all states. The Finance Commission is an quinquennial body. D option is correct. Next question. The chairman of the Finance Commission is appointed by the President. The Chief Election Commissioner of India holds office for 6 years or till the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? The chairman of Planning Commission is Prime Minister. The objectives of Indian planning are increasing national income, reducing inequalities in the income and wealth, elimination of poverty. D option is correct. In an election, electioneering has to be stopped in a constituency 48 hours before the hours of commencement of polling. C option is correct. The Advocate General in each state is appointed by the governor. A person cannot contest election from more than 2 constituencies. The system of proportional representation as an electoral mechanism ensures majority rule. The Election Commission of India is a 3-member commission. Planning Commission of India was established in the year 1950. The chairman of Finance Commission must be a person having experience in the public affairs. The first election commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen. Under single transferable vote system, each voter can indicate as many preferences as there are candidates to be elected. D option is correct. The term of office of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is of 6 years. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? It was Sukumar Sen. When was the first general election to the Lok Sabha held? It held in the year of 1951 to 52. B option is correct. Parliament exercises control over public expenditure through Comptroller and Auditor General. Which of the following does not come under the purview of Election Commission? It is to conduct the election of PM of India. A option is correct. Who is chairman of Planning Commission? It is Prime Minister who is the chairman of Planning Commission. B option is correct.